Let's go with M. What's...
This is yours.
What's the first one?
Gosh.
No.
Close. And then who's the second one?
Next. Who's next?
Miss Tess. Miss Tess.
Tess. This is for you. No.
There's a lot of na.
There's a lot of no. Oh,
Friends.
Friends. Miss Friends.
Friends. Friends, this is for you.
Na.
Sina.
Sina. Sina.
Sina.
It's mine. It's mine.
Who will get the bag and the...
Look at your mouth.
This is the winning one.
Oh, Sina. That one. That one.
For whom?
For Sina. Oh.
You always win.
Sina wins the pashmina.
Someone that he won, right?
Yeah. He won also.
Sina.
He's very lucky. But Miss M drew the lots
Can
for
I have
him.
this back?
If you're lucky.
Me.
That's for Rafi.
This is
Rafi.
for Rafi.
Oh, this one, Fong. Wait.